Welcome to Super Calm Cat. I want you to sit or lie in a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. You are becoming the best version of yourself now. You did all the work. Now it's time to receive all the gifts from life and let go. Repeat those affirmations after me. I am ready to become the best version of myself. I did all the work and I am so proud of myself. I can feel my world shift in a positive direction and I am so happy. Finally, I am who I always wanted to be. I visualize the best version of myself every day until I become that person. I walk like them, talk like them, live like them already. I am becoming the best version of myself. I am healthy, wealthy, successful, happy and positive. I am in love with the new me. From now on, I am the best version of myself. I focus on myself and myself only. I listen to my heart as it guides the way to success. I am so grateful for all the positive shifts happening in my life right now. I visualize my new life every day until it becomes my reality. It is done. I am letting go now. I am entering a new phase of my life where I am the best version of myself. I am successful, beautiful, healthy, wealthy, and so happy. I attract only positivity in my life because I am positive and grateful. I appreciate the little things. My life is amazing. I love the people around me. I am finally becoming the person I always wanted to be. I follow my heart. It's time for me to shine. I just can feel my vibration shift into a positive, magical place. What others have achieved, I can achieve. Anything is possible for me. My desires manifest easy and effortlessly. I am becoming the best version of myself. Finally, I am who I always wanted to be. I am healthy, wealthy, successful. I am thriving. From now on, I am the best version of myself. It is done. I am letting go now. I am grateful. I am happy. I am abundant. I am letting go now. I attract only positivity in my life because I am grateful and positive. It is time for me to shine. I did all the work and I am so proud of myself. I am taking the steps towards possibilities and positivities. Finally, I am who I always wanted to be. I visualize the best version of myself every day until I become that person. I walk like them, talk like them, live like them already. I am the person I always wanted to be. I am free. I am successful. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I am becoming the best version of myself. Thank you for listening to those affirmations. Please subscribe to this channel if you like this video. I love you